Meta Business Suite is available on Android, iPhone, and desktop. I'll walk you through each platform. Android, open the Google Play Store app and tap the search bar at the top. Type Meta Business Suite. Find the official app from Meta Platforms Incorporated and tap the green Install button. The app will download and install automatically. Once finished, tap Open or find the Meta Business Suite icon in your app drawer. Log in with your Facebook account. After you grant permissions, your existing Facebook pages and Instagram accounts will appear. iPhone or iPad, tap the App Store icon on your home screen, then tap Search at the bottom right. Type Meta Business Suite or Facebook Business Suite. Find the app from Meta Platforms Incorporated and tap Get or the Cloud Download icon. If prompted, enter your Apple ID. Once installed, open the app from your home screen and log in with your Facebook account. The app will sync automatically with your pages and settings. Desktop, Windows, or Mac, Meta Business Suite is web-based, not a traditional downloadable application, but you can create a desktop shortcut. Open Google Chrome and navigate to business.facebook.com. Log in with your Facebook account, click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Go to More Tools and select Create Shortcut. Name it Meta Business Suite, check the Open as Window box, and click Create. This places an icon on your desktop that opens Business Suite in its own dedicated window. If you're using Microsoft Edge instead, navigate to business.facebook.com, log in, click the three-dot menu, select Apps, then install this site as an app. Follow the on-screen prompts. This creates a progressive web app that functions like a native application. One quick tip, the mobile app supports push notifications for new messages and comments, which the desktop browser version can't deliver when your browser is closed. Meta Business Suite is free for core tools like content planning, messaging, and insights, so you can start with no software fees.